Most drivers will quietly spend thousands, sometimes tens of thousands, keeping their car on the road. Brakes, tires, batteries, suspension, they chase every wear item. Yet the single thing that touches nearly every moving part inside the engine, they often pick it based on whatever's cheapest this week. That mistake can turn a potentially bulletproof motor into an expensive paperweight long before its time. I've cracked open engines with over 300,000 miles that still had razor-sharp cross-hatching on the cylinder walls, looking like they just rolled off the assembly line. I've also torn down 120,000-mile motors absolutely packed with black sludge, stretched timing chains, and camshafts eaten alive. The difference wasn't always the design of the engine. Far too often it came down to the oil and how it was managed. Make no mistake, any oil that meets the proper specs will protect your engine if you change it on schedule. But not all oils are created equal when you're chasing hundreds of thousands of miles. Two oils can wear the same API certification, yet one will leave the inside of your engine looking factory fresh after years of hard use, while the other slowly lets deposits, oxidation, and wear take over. Stick with me until the end because by the time this video is over, you'll know exactly which oils mechanics trust in vehicles that routinely hit 300,000, 400,000, and even 500,000 miles. And the number one oil on this list still shocks a lot of seasoned techs. We start with a strong value player. SuperTech Full Synthetic is legitimately one of the best budget synthetics you can buy. It meets all modern API standards and carries the factory approvals many manufacturers require. I've seen plenty of everyday cars and trucks cruise past 200,000 miles on this oil when owners stayed disciplined with changes. Used oil analysis usually comes back perfectly acceptable with nothing alarming. But when we pull high-mileage engines apart, the internals don't always sparkle like they do with the top-tier options. Oxidation resistance and long-term deposit control sit just a step behind the absolute best. For normal daily driving it's more than fine. If you're trying to squeeze every last mile out of a heavy truck or SUV under tough conditions, there are stronger choices. Great value but not the ultimate longevity king. Next up is Valvoline Daily Protection. Valvoline has earned real trust over decades and this line is reliable, affordable, and easy to find everywhere. In high-mileage vehicles with regular changes it delivers consistent, respectable performance. Cold starts are decent, sludge control is acceptable, and teardowns usually show engines that look solid, not jaw-dropping but good. It starts to lose ground in severe service. Frequent towing, commercial routes, brutal stop-and-go traffic. This is the entry-level Valvoline product and their premium formulations clearly outperform it. Don't push extended intervals with this one. Solid daily protection when you stay on top of maintenance. Many people still underestimate modern conventional oils, and Pennzoil's conventional formulas have quietly protected millions of engines. In older V8 trucks and naturally aspirated motors, they can still surprise you. Open up some of these classics that ran Pennzoil for decades with frequent changes, and you'll sometimes find them remarkably clean inside. Modern engines changed the game. Turbos, direct injection, variable valve timing, tighter tolerances, and much higher temperatures put far more demand on the oil. Conventional lubricants simply break down faster here. You'll see quicker viscosity loss and more deposits compared to quality synthetics. Fine for older, simpler engines. Not ideal for newer vehicles designed around synthetic oil. You'll need more frequent changes to keep up. Castrol GTX Full Synthetic has a huge loyal following, and for good reason. It delivers reliable wear protection and has built a strong reputation in fleet service. Oil reports often show stable viscosity in solid wear metals, especially on highway miles. Deposit control is noticeably better than average. Many 200,000-plus mile engines still look impressively clean at teardown. Timing systems stay healthy, cold starts feel confident, and it handles heat stress well. The only real catch is that Castrol has many different formulations. Not every bottle performs the same. When used correctly, though, this is a very capable long-term player. Now here's one that deserves way more attention than it gets. Chevron Havoline Pro DS. Fleet operators who live and die by cost per mile have been relying on this oil for years. They don't care about flashy ads, they care about results. In long-term commercial service, it delivers strong protection, excellent oxidation resistance, and impressive deposit control. Mechanics frequently comment that Valvetrain components stay unusually clean. Used oil analysis holds steady even under punishing conditions. The biggest downside is availability. You won't see it on every shelf. For serious high-mileage owners willing to track it down, this oil is quietly excellent. Stepping up now into the oils mechanics actually see in 250,000 to 350,000 mile engines, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. This is a significant jump from their baseline. Used oil reports often show outstanding wear protection, especially during cold starts. the moment when most engine wear actually occurs. Camshafts, lifters, and timing components frequently look remarkably healthy at teardown. It also handles fuel dilution in direct injection engines better than many competitors.